Okay, I'm here today to join the protest against Maximus, against the attacks that we're seeing on disabled people at the moment. I think what we've got is a situation where the government want to drive through cuts in austerity and make working class people pay for the crisis that's been caused by the banks. And what the attacks on disabled people are about really are about cuts, but they're also about blaming sections of our working class movement and divide and rule. And this is about saying that people who are claimants have to jump through all these loops and tests to be able to prove that they're entitled to those benefits. But we all pay taxes to have a welfare state. We pay taxes to be able to support people who need support. And so that's why I'm here on the protest today, because I want to support that movement and draw the links between the workers' movement as well and what's going on with the strikes at the moment over pay and over cuts and so on. Because I think whatever government we're going to get, and I hope that the Tories get kicked out, but whatever government we get, we're going to see continuation of austerity, continuation of attacks on the poorest people in society, and we need to see more protests like this one.